This is how I do my feeding cornrow on my hair. First of all, let's forget about the hair and the way it looks, because I'm on permed hair and I'm trying to transition to natural hair. So that's why the growth is so many under. But I don't mind. I'm just trying to create a simple but technical style on my head that I'm going to take to a function. It might not, the pattern and everything might not be the best, but the final look will determine everything. So it is okay for you to feel overwhelmed sometimes when making your hair, because sometimes your hand aches and your muscles cramp, but that's still okay. Whenever you're tired, you bring down your hands and rest for a while before you continue. So these braids now, I'm using Brazilian wool yarn. Yeah, Brazilian yarn, that's what I'm using. I first of all dragged it, then brushed through it to make it look natural. I didn't use it as a thread. I used it in form of attachment. That's what I did in order to make it look natural. Yeah, and it gives me good grip also. Truly, when I was doing this, I was actually in haste. Like this part I'm doing now, it is not always easy braiding your hair from that part of the head. So it really takes a lot from you, because you have to strain yourself to get your hair done from that area. But finally, I got a hang of it, and voila, the braid is going. Then let me tell you a story. What happened after I made this hair. I went to a city center and someone saw me and was like, whoa, your hair looks beautiful. I just like the natural look of it. Did you add anything in it? It's just your natural hair or something? I told the person, I was in a haste actually to just tell the person anything. I just said, yes, it's my hair. And the person assumed it was my natural hair. I wish, which I'll surely grow up to that extent. Please don't take it. I'll surely grow my hair to that extent. Okay, now, after which she booked an appointment with me, she said I'm going to make similar hair on her. So that's how we went about it. She made her hair, and that was it. So please let you watch this tutorial to the end, and please let me know what you think about it, what you think I did do well or I did well. So drop your comments, and please, if you love what I do, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And we are not just viewers here, we are a community. With whatever you feel I need to put in it, or how I need to do it in order for it to come out the best, you can also relate to me. I'm open, and thank you for watching up to this moment. I'll just leave you to watch till the end.